Hi, I'm Alicia, and welcome to this Decenomy tutorial on how to restore a wallet backup from a USB stick. For this tutorial, we will be using the Sapphire wallet, but the process is the same for any Decenomy coin. Should you wish to know how to back up your wallet onto a USB, please check out some of our other tutorials. First of all, we insert our USB stick into the PC. After that, we open the USB stick folder and we navigate to the backup file. Once we have located the file, we copy it. After that, making sure the wallet is fully closed down, we have to navigate to the wallet data directory located in App Data as shown in the picture using Windows 11. We can now open the coins folder, in this case Sapphire, where it shows all the data related to that coin's wallet. The file name must always be wallet.dat, so we need to rename the old one first. We can now paste the file we copied previously from the USB stick. If you originally saved the backup as a different file name, then please be sure to rename it as wallet.dat once you copy the file into the folder. And that's it, you can now start your Sapphire wallet again, and you should see any of the previous information and balances stored on the backup reappear on the wallet. Please do make sure the wallet.dat file is named correctly. In addition, it is best never to move any files out of the coins folder to any other location on your computer. This may result in you getting numerous errors when trying to load the wallet. Thanks again for supporting Decenomy, and please do feel free to check out our other tutorials on our YouTube channel.